Hey everybody, welcome to my first ever pre-intro for a video. On this project, I jumped in just like every other project, headlong, little or no planning, grab the part, start prying, hammering, spraying, whatever, and didn't quite work out the way we want it to. Every one of them doesn't always work out, but I just wanted to make a video for it anyway. We'll call it a vault track, we'll lost tapes, whichever. Trigger warning for you, there may be some gross abuse of my big prying screwdriver in here. I know you're not really supposed to use the tool that way. Sometimes we got to do what we got to do. Anyway, take it away, Mike. Hey everybody, welcome back to the 36 Fordor project. I'm out here in the garage today, excited to dig into this first cracking open of the steering box I bought at Goodguys. Hopefully you saw that on the video. And it's a good core, but I got to figure out what I need to get in the way of parts. I'm going to make a trip over to Midwest Early Ford in Springfield. So let's pop this guy open and see what we can find out. So here we go. I'm going to adjust it so I'm not cranking it down, blowing it out. Let's see about throwing some in here. Let's let that sit for a while and come back. So we have a nasty bearing race that is all gunked up. And now I should be able to take this bearing out. Nice bearings, huh? That's what you call a greased packed bearing. That will allow me to screw this guy, theoretically, all the way out. Okay, so I'm back out here at this thing. There's been hammering, there's been cursing, there's been blows to the hands, blood blisters. This thing's kicking my butt. Right now, I don't know if you can see, I had to use like draconian methods to get this seal out. That is still stuck in there. It won't come out because this sector, crappy phone camera work, this sector won't come out. I've hammered, I've heated, blowtorch, penetrant, lacquer thinner, everything I can try to get out of there. I've recently tried clamping it. So I know you guys don't want to watch every hammer blow and see every strike, but just a little bit of an update on what's going on. So you could tell by the tone of my voice, I was pretty frustrated and aggravated with that steering box. Essentially that box turned into my $55 learner box. I've learned a lot. I was pretty naive going in, but it took a 12-ton press that I had to buy to finally press the steering sector out of there. And pretty much that box is parts and scraps. So we're gonna leave this project where that is, with a further promise that yesterday I happened to find a 40 Ford box that is attached to a column, and I will go at this next video for steering boxes a lot more intelligently and not quite as naively, and it'll be a little more educational because now I've learned and I can pass that on to you guys. Thanks for stopping in, everybody. Take care. Have a good one.